Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Presley and I'm so excited for today's video because today I'm sharing with you a few of my quirkiest, funkiest thrift finds. If you're an avid thrifter like me, chances are you have those unique pieces in your closet that might be a little bit out there to others, but they make you happy, they bring you joy, and I just want to encourage you to rock those unique pieces in your closet. That's what thrifting is all about, finding those gems that speak to you and make you happy and make you feel like yourself. So today I'm sharing my personal pieces that spark joy and just, for whatever reason, I was drawn to them. So let's get right into the video. If you missed last week's haul, I actually featured some very colorful statement pieces that I am so excited about. So I wanted to start off with two of my favorite pieces from that video, starting off with my clown shoes. If you missed it in last week's video, my husband dubbed these my clown shoes, and you can see why. They are very colorful and unique looking, but I really do love them and I've really been enjoying styling them. So look number one, I kept it pretty simple and I styled these shoes with a pair of jeans as well as a plain white t-shirt. But to make this look more stylized, I added some of my favorite jewelry. I have on a pearl necklace and a gold locket, as well as my favorite gold rings, which brings me to my first tip. If you have more of a statement, colorful piece that leans a little bit more juvenile, I like to really dress it up with some jewelry. I feel like it makes the look more intentional, more stylish. It looks like you put more thought into it, and it kind of says to the world, I chose every piece on purpose. I chose to style these shoes. It was not an accident. I am making a choice. I am making a fashion statement. And when you have on that jewelry, it just makes it look like you took the extra time to put the outfit together. It looks like it just makes you look more confident. It makes everything look like it was on purpose and nothing was an accident with your outfit. The next way that I've been enjoying wearing these shoes is with this really funky t-shirt. I think that the colors really tie in with the colors on my shoes, so I knew that I had to put a look together with both of these pieces. I was feeling like the outfit looked a little bit unfinished, so to tie it together, I added on my favorite leather blazer. I feel like it really helped to balance out the colorful clown chic look that the outfit had going on, and it made it look a lot more stylized and sophisticated. Once again, adding something like jewelry or a more sophisticated tailored outerwear piece, it just makes the outfit look way more balanced and put together. The next piece that I featured in that haul is this beautiful, colorful blazer. This will forever be one of my favorite pieces in my closet. I am just so obsessed with it. I really think that it just looks like a piece of art. I love things that look very artsy and eclectic, and I am just obsessed with this piece. So for styling, I wanted to keep it a little bit more simple. This is such a statement on its own that I really wanted to let this piece speak for itself. So what I did is I just paired it with a plain pair of jeans and a form-fitting black long sleeve shirt, and I tied the look together with my favorite black booties. Very simple and very elegant, and I know that I'll be reaching for this outfit a lot. I feel like $1,000,000 in it. I'm so happy to have this piece in my collection. And again, that's what's so special about thrifting, finding those unique gems. Another one of my favorite quirky pieces in my closet is this pair of pants. Now, I almost didn't feature these in this video today because they are a bit more spring and summer. They're not very fall, but I wore these recently and I got a lot of compliments, so I figured I would show you how I like to style them. So with any pair of patterned pants, the easiest thing to pair with them is just a white t-shirt, but sometimes I feel like that doesn't add enough dimension to an outfit, so I like to really play with texture and layering if I'm going to go with a white top with a pair of patterned pants. So for this look, I chose a tie front sweater over a white tank top. Very simple, it's just solid white, but having that different texture, I think it adds a lot of interest to the outfit. It looks more thought out. I love the light colored pattern in these pants. I think that they just look so airy and chic, and I just, again, it's what I love about thrifting. The next couple pieces are a little bit more grandma chic, but I really do love them. I was so drawn to both of these. So starting off with this rainbow cardigan, I don't think that everybody would be drawn to this, but again, for whatever reason, it just caught my eye and I really enjoy styling it. So the first way that I like to wear this is just with a pair of jeans and tennis shoes. Again, if you have statement bold pieces, it's really important to have those basic pieces to balance out. It makes styling a whole lot easier. And for the next look, I styled it over a graphic t-shirt, my little friend's shirt. It says, "How you doin'?" And I think that this makes for a really fun, simple look. This last piece is just too cute to handle. It has little sunflowers and bees embroidered. I am such a sucker for embroidery. I think that it looks so sweet and so artsy. And the main reason that I picked this piece up is because it reminds me of my Annie Franny. I just loved her so much, so I love to wear pieces that remind me of her. To style this, I'll usually just wear it over a plain tank top, usually black or yellow, to tie in with the colors of the flowers. And to dress it up a little more, I paired it with my mustard shoes, but I would also wear this with a plain pair of white tennies. For fall styling, I'll mix it up a little bit and I'll layer this over a yellow sweater. I really like the look of the sleeves popping out. I think it looks really unique. And to finish off the look and tie in with the brown on the flowers, I just paired it with my brown booties. I think that this adds such a fun quirkiness to a look, and I'm just really thankful to have it in my wardrobe. That's all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I encouraged you to rock those unique pieces in your closet. Don't be afraid to dress a little bit quirky. Fashion is so personal, and it's all about what makes you happy. If you enjoyed this video, I would so appreciate a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe so you don't miss future videos from me. And go ahead and comment down below what your own personal favorite quirky piece is in your closet. I would love to hear about it and geek out with you in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next Sunday. Bye!